Do you work in a busy office? Don't know what to tackle next? We can help you restructure your office using REI Master's Workflow module. The Workflow module is loaded with industry-specific checklists. These checklists have content provided by Real Estate Dynamics to help you meet your legal requirements to stakeholders under your local act or legislation. At a glance, you can see who is responsible and their progress. Each checklist contains clearly labelled sections to help you complete necessary tasks with ease. Integrated forms merge directly to record information. Merged forms can be saved to the document management system. Checklists can be viewed and created from individual records. Users can be substituted to ensure checklists are followed through. This is as simple as selecting the existing user and reassigning a new user. Kelly is now responsible for these checklists. REI Master's Workflow module with content provided by Real Estate Dynamics is available in REI Master.